Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to install an impact driver bit. I'll also be showing you and telling you how to remove them as well. So this will be a full tutorial basically for installing and removing your bits on your impact driver. Now an impact driver is slightly different than a drill in terms of how you deal with the bits. The tool itself is quite different from a drill, but the actual removal and installation of the bits is slightly different. With a drill, you have to loosen and tighten the chuck, and that's how you put your bits in there. And you can use pretty much any type of bit on a drill. Anything that fits in there that can be held securely basically can be used. With an impact driver, however, there's a specific shape and way of removing and installing the bits, and it's very, very specific. It's not dynamic like a drill. It's very, very stagnant. So to remove the bit, okay, there's a bit inside here. You can see, you can't remove it right now because it's in place. So, sorry about that. I do apologize. I just drank a big bottle of water and I should have probably paused a bit before I filmed this video, but I decided to start filming right away. So we might have to deal with a few coughs throughout the video. So anyways, back to business. To remove this bit, essentially you want to take the collar right here. This is the collar. You want to pull it away from the impact driver forward. So I'm going to pull it away forward. And now what happens is the bit can be removed like that. Okay, very simple. And I released it. And now the bit has been removed. So that's how to remove it. Now, you can push it back in, but it's not going to be secure, right? It's not going to be secure. In order to put the bit back in, to install the bit, you have to do the same thing, but sort of in reverse. So essentially, you want to pull the collar away from the impact driver, place the bit in place, nice and securely in there, and then you can release that collar, and now the impact driver bit is secure in the impact driver tool. Now let me show you something, okay? You can see it's really, really quick, so you can just change really, really quickly on the fly, which is one of the really good reasons that impact driver is a fantastic tool to have. I got this late in my do-it-yourself timeline, and ever since I got it, I use this way more than I use my drill. Like if I'm drilling something, if I'm driving a screw into something, and I don't mind it being loud, this is what I use every single time. A drill, I can be a little bit more quiet if I use it. So maybe if I'm doing work later at night when my kids are asleep and I need to be quiet, I'll use the drill. But essentially, if I can have an impact driver bit and I don't mind it being loud, this is the tool that I use. So you can see the impact driver bit has this specific shape at the end of it. So in order to fit a bit in an impact driver head, you need to have this specific shape, because the impact driver has that specific shape right there in the bit holding piece right here. So once again, pull it out, place the bit. It'll only go in one direction. I can't put it in on an angle. If I try to put it in like this, it won't fit. I need to turn it so that the edges line up. And then once the edges line up like that, it goes in place just like that. Very simple, very, very easy to do. And once you've done it a few times, you get faster and faster at doing it. So that's essentially it. That is how to install and remove impact driver bits. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.